For every electric vehicle enthusiast, the release of the Polestar 2 was the first indication that Polestar was definitely moving away from simply being the performance brand of Volvo. And when the world got its first look at the Polestar 3, it quickly became apparent that the luxurious electric vehicle brand is restoring its tech-laden yet simplistic approach to building cars. As Polestar's first ever SUV, the Polestar 3 SUV, or the 3 SUV for short, comes with several interesting features and a hidden secret feature that reinforces Polestar's commitment to developing a new era of Volvo cars. But is this hidden secret feature enough to make you choose the 3 SUV over other popular options from industry leaders like Tesla, Mercedes, and BMW? Style and design. With complex, out-of-this-world designs quickly becoming the new norm for EV makers when designing their new vehicles, Polestar takes a different approach by keeping things simple. The 3 SUV features adaptive headlights, which house a panel Polestar calls the Smart Zone. This Smart Zone helps conceal several radars, sensors, and cameras that would otherwise have forced Polestar to add more bumps and arcs to the otherwise smooth and sleek finish of the 3 SUV. To add to the sleekness, Polestar also decided to implement a frameless side mirror design to further improve the aerodynamics of the car. The 3 SUV also comes with a winged bonnet that significantly increases its aerodynamic efficiency. Interestingly, despite the sleek looks, the Polestar 3 comes with a 17 cubic foot trunk. Who would have thought? Coupled with the massive 22-inch wheels, sleek fenders, and crisp roofline, the 3 SUV does make a claim for being one of the best-looking electric SUVs set for release later this year. Interior. A quick glance at the interior of the car shows just how much the Polestar 3 has evolved from the Polestar 2. Upholstery in the Polestar 3 is available in 2 options: the animal welfare wool option and the vegan bio-attributed microtech option. Polestar claims both materials are sourced from responsible sources, but also announced there will be an option to upgrade the upholstery to Napa leather. This upgrade will add massage functions to all the seats in the car for an extra fee. In terms of space, the Polestar 3 is quite roomy. Well, at least there is more legroom compared to what you will get on a decent commercial airliner. The only downside is that only 5 people can fit into the Polestar 3 at once. Now let's talk about the performance, power output. While the Polestar 3 SUV is indeed stunning, where the vehicle truly shines is in its performance. The 3 SUV exclusively features a dual-motor powertrain commonly found in luxurious Volvo vehicles, although that is where the similarities end. The dual-motor powertrain of the Polestar 3 actually comes in 2 models, each with significantly different power outputs. The powertrain of the standard model of the Polestar 3 SUV packs 483 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque, which of course would be powerful if the Polestar 3 was not as heavy as it is. Coming in at 5,696 pounds, the standard model of the Polestar 3 SUV is in no way a Tesla Model X killer. However, Polestar announced a premium model of the Polestar 3 will be available for an additional $6,000. This premium model lets you unlock 517 horsepower and 670 pound-feet of torque from your Polestar 3 SUV, allowing the vehicle to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. The premium model also comes with enhanced performance optimization and unique alloy wheels. Dual motor powertrain. Unlike the Polestar 2, the Polestar 3 SUV launches with a dual motor powertrain, which allows for smoother cruises at lower speeds to conserve energy. The setup also allows for more effective regenerative braking. Having first teased a vectoring dual clutch feature on the Polestar 1, the Polestar 3 comes with the latest evolution of this clutch function on the rear axle, which is evident in the power bias users will experience towards the rear of the car when accelerating. Revamped chassis technology. Speaking during the first public unveiling of the Polestar 3, Polestar's chief chassis engineer, Joachim Rydholm, said, "Our goal was to offer the performance and precision to redefine the Polestar brand without compromising the comfort of the daily drive. To do this, we use new components like the adaptive air suspension to engineer the Polestar feeling for this type of car." The Polestar 3 offers advanced chassis control thanks to the new dual-chamber air suspension equipped on the vehicles. With the new chassis control, the Polestar 3 seamlessly switches between comfort and dynamic suspension characteristics, allowing the SUV to adjust its active velocity autonomously. Range. Perhaps the biggest surprise we got about the Polestar 3 is that both the standard and premium models of the car will feature the same 111Q lithium-ion battery pack. The battery pack features liquid cooling technology and is packaged in a protective aluminum case with reinforced boron linings. Both features ensure the battery pack is truly heat-efficient and long-lasting. According to the Polestar website, the Polestar 3 will offer up to 379 miles per single charge. The car will also feature bidirectional charging, opening the Polestar 3 up to the possibility of vehicle-to-grid charging. The hidden secret: autonomous driving. When it comes to autonomous driving systems, Volvo has carved a niche for itself as one of the best in the business. Not surprisingly, the Polestar 3 features a variety of ADAS features that offer self-driving technology. From the unveiling, we found out that the Polestar 3 comes with adaptive cruise control, sensors for lane keeping assist and pedestrian detection, sensors for automated headlamps, and many more. Polestar has even announced its partnership with Luminar Technologies, which means the Polestar 3 will receive support for Level 3 driving autonomy in the near future. Although interested Polestar 3 owners will have to pay an extra fee for the LiDAR pilot pack, the Polestar 3 also features 5 radar modules, 12 external ultrasonic sensors, 5 external cameras, and 2 internal closed-loop eye tracking cameras for its advanced self-driving system. The 2 internal closed-loop cameras monitor the driver's eyes to detect distracted or drowsy drivers. What Polestar decided to keep a secret, though, was the fact that the Polestar 3 will be the first Polestar car to feature the NVIDIA Drive Core computer as the primary AI brain for its autonomous driving. NVIDIA is, of course, one of the biggest brands for developing high-performance technologies for various industries. The NVIDIA-powered computer will process the data captured by the multiple sensors and cameras equipped on the Polestar 3 to ensure a safe and efficient driver assistance experience. Polestar 3 owners will even be able to power the car using a digital key. Simply put, the AI system of the Polestar 3 is efficient. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Safety. Volvo's DNA for safety and efficiency is also quite evident in the Polestar 3. Aside from the various sensors and features that make self-driving possible in the 3 SUV, the car also comes with a bunch of safety tech to keep drivers safe. This includes Google Maps, powered automated parking assist, child and pet mode that monitors movement in the car, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision avoidance. Android-powered infotainment. Another interesting addition to the Polestar 3 is the new Android infotainment display system. This 14.5-inch display system is powered by the next-gen Snapdragon cockpit platform from Qualcomm Technologies. The Snapdragon cockpit platform allows access to Google apps, including the Google Play Store. The infotainment system is Bluetooth compatible and comes with 4 USB-C charging ports. Other features. Like its predecessors, the Polestar 3 also comes equipped with a pretty extensive list of features and specs that fans of the brand will be familiar with. From retractable all-LED lighting to a 3D surround sound audio system tuned by Bowers & Wilkins with Dolby Atmos capability, Polestar certainly did not hold anything back. Launch market and production plans. As highly anticipated as the Polestar 3 SUV is, Polestar has continually delayed the release of the vehicle since it was first announced in 2021. The latest information we have from Polestar is that the 3 SUV is set to begin production first in Volvo Cars' massive facility in Chengdu, China, in mid-2023. Polestar then plans to start delivering the first batch of Polestar 3 SUVs by the end of the fourth quarter of 2023. Also, Polestar plans to make the 3 SUV a truly American SUV, with additional manufacturing set to begin at the Ridgeville, South Carolina, Volvo car facility in the United States. Polestar 3 SUVs produced at the Ridgeville factory will be supplied to North America and other related markets. But with these plans still in their initial stages, deliveries from the Ridgeville factory will likely only happen around the third quarter of 2024. Pricing. So far, experts in the industry can only speculate about the price of the Polestar 3, which is not surprising considering Polestar has time and time again delayed the release of the 3 SUV. With that in mind, the specs, performance information, and features we can access via the Polestar website indicate the Polestar 3 will likely debut with a launch price of $85,000. Do you think the Polestar 3 SUV will finally get its launch in the fourth quarter of 2023 as promised? Or will there be even more delays? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.